Other prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming to pass. They say that so many church in Nigeria now are receiving letter from unknown person telling them to close down churches. They don't need church anymore in Nigeria. And this letter no be small thing. No, now the churches condescend and they give police. Say see wetin dey happen o. And police don't come outside, come say, come read them. That means say the Islamization of Nigeria is very close. As that one they happen, they say that Niger Delta youth are protesting for the bad condition of things. Now come they ask them, say, are they waking up? Sebi they say they comfortable with Nigeria. So why they come they protest now? No be smart, you know. They say that one IPOB duels don't come outside. He said they are cooking big soup for Simon Ekpa. He said very soon the soup will go down. No be smart, you know. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never give this channel a follow, I don't know what you the way to, may you quickly do so. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, very, very important, so that you no go dey miss our update back to back as it dey hot. Yeah, my people, we'll jump into the matter we'll get for our hand today. Say so many church for inside Nigeria now they receive a letter where they tell them say may they close down their churches, say they no need church anymore, say this country no be country of church. This is happening before our eyes. I will play the video, may you listen as this police man they narrate them, they talk come aside. Let's watch the video together.
The threat letter was not sent to the churches. The threat letter was dropped around the headquarters and it was brought to me. I was the one that opened the envelope, read the threat letter. On seeing that, I now invited the Christian Association of Nigeria to tell them about the threat. Whether it is real or not, we have to be security conscious. So I gave them copies of the letter so that they will adjust their programs in the church. Instead of closing late, they should close on time. Thereabout, I now directed all my DPOs to ensure that every Friday, police patrol team must go to mosque and give them adequate security until they finish the Jumat prayers. Equally, on Sundays, all the patrol teams will go around the churches and ensure that they are safe and after the church service before they close. The threat, we don't take it lightly because you don't know who is behind it. And
yeah, my people, Shebi, I don't watch them. The thing they happen before everybody eyes. And so they tell they start to remember, say for this country where they call Nigeria, anything won't start, don't start. No be play. You see, as they put them, they don't give them time to close, time to open, and they they stay longer. Now so they go start, they go tell them so okay, make they close and final. Now who can close them now? My people, I need to wake up. Okay, let's go and drop into the next Ogbonge news where we get for hand. They say that Niger Delta youth are protesting because of things where they happen for inside Niger Delta. We go play the video, but we will move some part show you. But the reason why they bring this video up here is to show that you see. They pretend all this why where Biafra people they fight, they die, pull for their matter. They say they no be Biafra. Some of them stay their own judge. They no one put hand. They no one look. They say they okay because they get oil for their side. Forget say all the whole state for Igbo land they get oil. And so just that the government choose to brand them, say the oil no big go. Now this side now come be because if they no say if but they suck the oil where they for everybody for over decades, the lights see they go on, everything still they go on for that area. They know they stop, but they said the oil too small. Imo State they still they suck till today. This is where I was born till today. They still they suck the oil. The oil still they come out. So this Niger Delta people, I think say they did okay before, but however, let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
Siyamabana passed a vote of no confidence in HYPREP. The disenchanted youths subsequently staged a protest at the Port Harcourt office of HYPREP, accusing the project coordinator, Professor Neni Barenizade, of malfeasance and demanding his sack.
Total disregard of local content, total neglect of the youths, even the clean-up is a charade. Nothing is happening in the land. The first emergency measures, which was provision of potable water, they gave contract to the surrogates.
Not long after the protesters occupied HYPREP office in Port Harcourt, another group of Ogoni youths arrived at the scene of protests. The protesting youths were attacked and disorganized by their assailants, who also assaulted our crew members physically and damaged our camera. Some policemen attached to HYPREP taking sides with the anti-protesters accused HYPREP of instigating what he described as an unwarranted assault.
Look at my hand. They ordered the Nigerian police to shoot at us. They unleashed mayhem on us this morning. Look at my face. Look at my head. Look at my head. I'm bleeding all over. See there. This is what.
At the scene of confrontation, some
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, you know, say you get parable way Igbo people they say agbawa nwata ma ono ye mgbe ga Daniel we na so e be. So all those Delta people where they una think say na own na better pass, say the Biafran, the Igbos no know wetin they do. Una never start they cry. Very soon they cry one, I go they cry come aside. Now we go give una handkerchief to clean eyes. Na so e be because one our brother they fight, mona join them they fight. When they go back, say to say, hey, we get there, no get niente. Waiting there for Igbo land, they never even touch ourselves. No, I'm not. Never discover and finish. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the next matter we will get for our hand. Today they say one Biafra US don't come aside. I want me listen for waiting talk for this video where I go play you right now. Let's watch the video together.
We are stupid. We are jealous. We submitted to that idiot called Simon.
You'll be hearing from us very soon, possibly in the next 2 weeks. We are doing underground work because we have to be prepared very well before beginning to start. We'll not just do this class program.
Okay, let Simon and his group go and prepare their defense. Let them counter what we've done here today. Let whoever is their agent that is buying this house for them come and tell us this is how much they bought it.
And we believe them.
And all that. This is the owner.
Yes.
And the owner will vindicate them. Yeah, then we believe you.
We believe them. Honestly.
We will apologize.
I will apologize personally.
You understand?
Yeah.
We are drawing blueprint. Some of them we submitted to that idiot called Simon. The blueprint for Biafra's economic development. He has it. We gave him part of it. We are stupid. We are jealous. Envious of who? Who are we envious of? Look at them now. Look at the whole people. What can them only the envious of? Because Simon saw that our group was coming. We have a group. We are a team of people that are very committed. We're coming up with something. At the time, he was even depending on us for wisdom, for knowledge, for writing any letter, ideas. He was just using us to build this thing. And the moment he saw, he has grabbed it. And he may have balanced. He decided to start talking nonsense. And as foolish and as stupid and as gullible his followers were, they followed him and were talking. Thank God things are happening now. You're saying it. So I want to thank you, Biafrans. What I'm telling you is Simon Ekpa's sins, we'll find him out.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I want me to leave your own contribution for this update we will don't bring, give you for comment section, and tell us what you think, and also share the video make sure say you are following this page, very important, so that we will bring you back to back update as it dey hot. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next matter we will get for hand today. We will see you for the next update. May you share this video